Stripping heavy while I sharpen my sword, getting ready to sleep harder than a garden hose. I got them hoes, but I got no B-nose. I'm doing this shit alone, let's see how well it goes. Pretty making too much dread, getting inside your head. Make you wish you was dead while I'm causing havoc in your bed. I've been in the club and taking shots, but only a Moderna ain't being mean. I'm just out of quarantine. Shawty says she want the D like it's always sunny. She like it like her egg yolk's just a little runny. My bottle stacking higher than my checks, got my seat reserved. Bumping in the car and got a shawty with so many curves. Know they wanna date me, I stole a track from Baby. You can call me Lord Shan, cause my parents hate me. I told myself I'd be the king and let myself in anywhere I see fit, yeah. My stacks are fat, her ass is that, and my back is back from the weight of my ass crack, yeah. Yabba dabba doo, I'ma undress you, and we'll make love too, call me Ric Flair, woo. I've been banging all these hoes like I'm Fred Flintstone. Don't need to dig up fossils to find this bone. Onigiri in my whip, gas pedal with my carry blacks. 800 on my wrist, addition to the clothing rack. Addicted to the green fox, I gather to see my act. I'll pay the education, best believe I'ma get her back. Pretty making too much dread, getting inside your head. Make you wish you was dead while I'm causing havoc in your bed. I never ever fall for a thoughty that's on my life. Girlies call me Kenny the way that I always die. It don't bring me anger, I still go to bangers. I got so many bitches that they bringing me coat hangers. In my private jet, I sip my rosé in my spot. Shawty's they all know me, they know that I don't trade my stock. Gonna make her shake like an Aqua Teen, drip and sink. Finna made my clothing options easy cause they always pink. Filling in these lines, yada yada, sorry, George Duck. When I see the bar, I got my pole cause it's Festivus. All the boys everywhere I go can't escape the love. Guess it's true what they say, Kenny is the best of us. Jump shot the dripping with my dining tables. Always said no one's praying on the downfall, no one's ever gonna take the bet. Not to be frank, but I'm filthy and I need a wash. And her parents love me cause they know that I'm way too posh. Here's how the recipe goes, hard cooking major. I pull up to events in pink, it's a rager. Sip the coffee at 4 AM all night, she's gonna stay. Girls always has to come over and it's always gonna be this way. Pretty making too much dread, getting inside your head. Make you wish you was dead while I'm causing havoc in your bed.